In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to take an app that's running on your computer and deploy that app so you can share with your friends and family and co-workers wherever they are. You should have an app running on your machine already on your computer. For this example, we have an app running at localhost 3000 and you can try that. If you don't have an app running, I highly recommend you watch my previous video on how to vibe code an app. You should have this after you finish like all the steps in that video, and all you need to do now is like take the app you have from vibe coding and actually deploy that. So for this tutorial, we're going to be using ngrok. So what you should do is come to your browser, simply go to ngrok.com. ngrok. ngrok is a really good and popular tunneling tool. So we're going to be using it to take the app running on our computer locally and deploy that over the internet. You could just accept whatever cookies you want. So what you have to do now is to sign up. You come to sign up, you can sign up with your name, email, password, or you can do it faster by just signing up with your Google account or your GitHub account. But I've already done this step, so I'm just going to skip this. After you sign in on ngrok, you should be dropped into a page like this. On the left panel, you're going to see setup and instructions. Setting up ngrok is really fast and easy. There are 3 steps you simply need to follow. The first step is to install ngrok using brew. If you've already watched my previous tutorial on how to vibe code an app, you should already have brew installed. But just in case you don't already have brew on your local machine, you can simply install it by following the instructions here at brew.sh. All you need to do is just run this command. So we already have brew installed. Now let's install ngrok. So coming to my terminal, same thing. I highly recommend you watch my previous tutorial on how to vibe code an app. If you complete all the steps in that tutorial, you should already have your terminal set up. So I'm going to come to my terminal, install, just paste the command you copy from ngrok, brew install ngrok. I already have ngrok installed, so you might just see brew tell me that everything is already installed. But if you don't have it installed already, you're going to see like different outputs, but it should install at the end of the day. Easy. Step 1 is done. Step 2, you need to config your ngrok. So all you need to do is copy that same command, paste it in, and let that run. So that's saved. And step 3, so I'm just going to bring this closer. Step 3, pretty simple. Copy the command from ngrok. You can run it in the same terminal. For our example, you need to refer to the port that the app is running on your computer. In this example, our app is running at port 3000. So we want to update this to say port 3000. Cool. Simply enter that and you're good to go. So we are on the free plan. The free plan should be good enough for what we would like to do. And now we can see that everyone hitting our URL. Now we have a public URL over the internet. Anyone hitting that URL gets tunneled into your computer at this port. So now I'm just going to copy that public URL. And here we go. Our app is live over the internet. Everyone coming gets this warning, which is fair, and I'm going to explain a lot about this warning and what it means after, but you can easily visit this site. And our app is public and running over the internet. You can give this to any of your friends, families, co-workers, and have them try it out. I'm going to try it out in an incognito window, and same warning, and then you can use the app. Some notes about ngrok, especially if you're on the free tier. ngrok provides more features for you to configure and secure your endpoint. If you follow the exact same steps I've given you, you should have a public URL, but you need to be very careful because this is not authenticated at all, and this is not like 100% secure. So, only make sure you give this URL to people you trust. I would advise you don't go sharing this URL over the internet, like in public forums or social media, until you've configured some advanced security for your endpoints and protect yourself. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you on the next one.